Oh, so get up out of bed. Bro, what's
No
wrong?
way, bad man. No way, bro.
You not got Jamaica Day at school?
When I feel sick, when I feel sick. Feel sick,
You feel
mommy.
sick? Get up out of bed, man. You not care. You not care. Get up out of bed. Early man, I come back in your room if ready for go to school. You hear me?
Yes, mommy. Yes, mommy. I'm not going nowhere, brother. I'm telling you something. I don't want to go nowhere, brother. I don't want to go nowhere, bro. I don't want to go nowhere, brother. I don't want to go nowhere, bro. I don't want to go nowhere, bro. Where you? I be your life in the dog. Dog, I don't want to go nowhere, bro. I don't want to go nowhere, dog. I want to stay up and play PUBG with my friend them, dog. Yeah, man.
Wow, look at my son. Look how handsome. I know my son that. I know my son that. Look how handsome. Fix your face, man. And breakfast up on the table. How will I be, mommy? Plantain, egg, sausage, bread with mild tea. Thanks, mommy. Oh, that's sweet, yo. That's sweet, yo. How would that CJ in his Jamaica clothes? Yes, miss. Thanks, miss. Looking handsome, man. Looking handsome. Brother, where's Sean, the brother? Sean gets to escape, brother. Where's Sean, the brother? Like Sean gets to escape, bro. How would that, Sean? Sean, yes, come. Good morning. So how your mouth so shine? Some mother deep, so no how shut down make me. So no how mother stay so me. So she your mouth so shine me. I'm gonna sit down, man. Nice for sono, man. Men of the future. Looking very handsome. Yes, man. Yo, CJ, what go on, bro? What go on, bro? That me there, bro. There, bro. Well, it look like the plan never work, bro. Me have to tell brother, I tell tomorrow time I sit this morning and she like sickness out of me, brother. Me don't want to come in, brother. Me don't want to see you whole day, brother, and burn some PUBG whole day, bro, and chill, bro. Jamaica day boring and lame, bro. Brother, we can't take... Yo, we get school now, dog. Okay, so that's everyone. Good morning, class. So we're going to start the class by saying our national anthem. Yo, can't bother, young man. What did you just say, young man? Nothing miss. No, come here, man. Take your ass, come to the front. What did you just say? Miss. Repeat it else me call your mother. Miss, me just say me can't bother, miss. You see, me can't feed my 5 kids a year just cause me can't bother. This is what I'm going to take up work this man. This thing. Huh? Better say, sing national anthem right now. Miss, sing it now. Eternal Father, bless our land. Guide us with thy mighty arm. Well, me just say, let me call her mother. I joke, miss. Say it good then. Alright, miss. Eternal Father, bless our land. Guide us with thy mighty hand. Keep us free from evil powers. Be our light through countless hours. To our leaders, great defenders, and true wisdom from above. Justice should be ours forever. Jamaica, and we love Jamaica. Boom. Jamaica. You know what? Whole class I get punishment. The whole class I get punishment. Me tired of now. Brother, man in tormenting the dog. Brother, on the stairs, sir, bro. That's what man. See your cars, man. You just see your cars, brother. What me do, bro? I like man, you.